Hello everyone, I'm Haruhiko Machimura. Just call me Harry. I'm so happy to meet and talk with you over Skype through AGOX. I've been to Korea, Thailand, Singapore, Indonesia, and other countries. I lived in the Philippines for more than 10 years to manage my own business. As you may know already, many people in Asian countries speak English. Therefore, whether you're a student or a professional, English is so important to achieve your dreams and to enhance and also upgrade your career. Let's develop your skills and advance your learning to challenge a brighter future. I'm looking forward to studying with you soon. Have a nice day.